Hello! So, today I want to do Sunny by Charlie Hebb. It has 7 chords in it. The first chord is A minor. The next chord is C7. Next chord is F7. The next chord is E7. And it does those 4 chords again. And then it goes to A minor. Then it goes to A minor 7. Then F. Then F minor. Then this, what sounds very complicated, but is not too hard to play, I hope, is B minor 7 flat 5. Sounds like that. Che bien, and then E7, A minor, then E7. And we're at the end, and then E7 turns us around, and then we go back to the top. And we're going to use the swung strum, which is the down, down, up, up, down, up. All right, cool. So let's try it together, and we'll take it nice and slow to start off. Remember, you can adjust the speed too. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor, C7, F7, E7, A minor, C7, F7, E7, then A minor 7, then F minor, then B minor 7 flat 5, then E7, then A minor. Back to E7, and we're back to the top. Here we go. Down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. Back to the top. Down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. 2, 3, 4. Then A minor 7, F minor, B minor 7 flat 5, yeah, E7, A minor, turn around, E7, back to the top. A minor 7, F, yeah, F minor, B minor 7 flat 5, E7, A minor, E7. Here's how it would sound, right? Sunny, yesterday my life was filled with rain. Sunny, you smiled at me and really eased the pain. Now the dark days are done and the light days are here. My sunny one shines so sincere. Sunny one so true, I love you. Sunny, yesterday my life was filled with rain. Sunny, you smiled at me and really, really eased the pain. I was torn like a wind-blown sand, but oh God, when you came in, sunny one so true, I love you. All right, one more time together. strumming it on A minor to the top. A minor 7. F minor. B minor 7 flat 5. E7. A minor. Then go to the E7, and then we're gonna hit A minor and end it. Whew, nice. I hope this helped, and see you soon. Bye bye.